Hey guys, this is Wagga Poultry Farm. You're most welcome to this channel. My name is Mogoya Isa, a very passionate poultry farmer. Professionally, I'm a teacher. I do teaching, but on the other hand, I practice farming, and particularly that is poultry farming. So here we go. Today, I want to share something with you. I really agree I've taken time without, sharing. But please, kindly forgive me. The viewer outside there, please forgive me. Here I am. I've come with something special this time around. Here we go. So, I really want to share with you guys. This is so far where we have reached today. So we've actually reached here. I want to tell you this is our layers that we brought in. So today we have just entered week 10. So we're in week 10 of rearing. The birds are healthy, I think you can see them. Just very curious to know what is taking place. Very healthy birds. So members, it has not been anyway. It hasn't been a simple way, or it hasn't been a hard one. Yeah, it has been 50-50, I can say. It has balanced. So we have been moving at an equilibrium point, please. So there we go. These are our layers. So they have made, yesterday they completed 9 weeks. So today we have started week 10. We are moving on. Not bad. Yeah, some are good. So just like any other kind of job, any activity, it has got its ups and downs, members. It has got its ups and downs, members. So I want to say we have really faced a little challenges, which I wouldn't I think hide from you. On the farm, actually we've not had anything like kind of maybe diseases. We have not had that, but just some small I can say bacterial infections, which can just be controlled, of course, within the farm. As you know, even human beings, today or the other day, may feel a little bit, dizzy, but of course, then you normalize. But generally, the birds have been good. I think in our previous videos that we shared, I told you we brought in 766 birds. During the brooding, I want to tell you that the brooding was very perfect, because at day 23 we were already out of the brooder. So actually the birds stayed in the brooder for 23 days. Then 24 we got out of the brooder. So we were done brooding. Yes, at day 23. So we had done that. So then in the brooder we actually lost some birds. I think they were about 16. That those that come when done, nevels have not healed yet. That those, of course, they move long distances. That those which are weak, maybe the friends, step on them, so they suffocate. So that's how we actually lost those birds. But then, actually, that's the number we lost. during the time of brooding. But then after brooding, guys, I want to tell you the worst days that we encountered. Hey, the challenge we faced, that was the challenge of lighting, members. The challenge of light. As you know, I will share the previous videos where our farm is located. We do not have electricity, coils of electricity. So we are actually entirely depending on solar. There happened, it was a rain day, so we didn't receive enough sun, so the solar didn't charge to its completion. So in the night, I'm telling you, I woke up, I found when the solar was indicating it was going on as it comes back, or going off as it comes back, like that. So signaling off and on. I'm telling you, the birds were scared. Rain in the corners, so no converge in the corners, congested